Hey guys, so I thought I'd give you a little walkthrough of the 2018 Nissan Armada. First of all, it's huge, but it is perfect size for a family. So come along and let's take a look inside. The first thing that I want to note is thank goodness for these running boards, because I'm a pretty tall gal. I'm about 5'6", and it's a stretch to get up. So inside you have the, I guess, like caramel or camel colored interior, ventilated seats, options in the center console, depending on what you're driving in. The traditional Nissan trim with options on the steering wheel, and then your front panel. This is touchscreen, has navigation, the standard things. This is the Platinum edition. And then in the back, there's an option for captain's chairs in the back, should you choose. This version has just the bench seat. Large storage in the center console, and the headphones, wireless headphones, and remote control for the kids in the back. Which brings me to the back. So now we're going to go in the back seat. My husband hopped in here earlier. Excuse the booster seat and the track spikes. But my husband hopped in here earlier, and he said even sitting in the middle row was pretty comfortable. And he's 6'1". So that's pretty cool. Then the built-in TV headrest. And then the back seats are heated, and there's control back here for the air conditioning, and there's ample vents, lots of vents, which is cool because sometimes bigger SUVs don't have enough vent for air. And then there's gosh, 1, 2, 3 USBs, a household plug, and a like a cigarette lighter adapter. My kids were like, "What's a cigarette lighter?" I guess that means I'm old. And then that opens. We have the wireless headphones and the remote in there right now. And then probably the thing that I like the most about getting into the third row is that it is super easy. Flip this lever here, and the seat goes up. And then here's the third row. And my husband also got back here, and he said, you know, he wouldn't want to ride cross country in the third row, but he said it's not terrible. And my kids have been going back and forth between sitting in the middle row and the third, and they have liked it a lot. So flip her up. And then finally, the rear. This is a car that when it appeared in my driveway, I thought, oh my gosh, this is huge. And the longer I've driven it, the more I really, really like it. Power seats right here. And they'll lay flat. There's also controls for that right up here. So you can lean your seat back just a little bit. And then, you know, that's pretty standard. And there's also an adapter back here as well. But all in all, my family has really enjoyed our time in the Nissan Armada. And the gas mileage isn't bad. And it took us $74 to fill it all the way up. And gas is pretty high right now, like $3.70 something. And then I mean, it's a good looking car. Gotten a lot of comments on the wheels. And the front of it.